Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Coinbase account in just 5 minutes. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. Coinbase is a popular platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies, and in this video, we'll show you how to sign up, verify your identity, and start using the platform. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase website. The first step to creating a Coinbase account is to visit their website at coinbase.com. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Enter your email address and password. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure to use a password that you haven't used before on any other accounts, and make sure to store it securely. Step 3. Add a payment method. The next step is to add a payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, or you can link your bank account. This will allow you to make purchases on the platform. Step 4. Buy cryptocurrency. Once you've completed all the previous steps, you're ready to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Browse the available options and make your first purchase. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies on the platform. Step 5. Verify your identity. To comply with KYC regulations, Coinbase requires you to verify your identity. You can do this by uploading a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. The process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. That's it. You've successfully created a Coinbase account in just 5 minutes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Coinbase has a helpful support team that's always available to help. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.